Welcome to today's video. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just starting your coding journey, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing 7 essential HTML tips complete with code snippets that are sure to boost your coding skills and enhance your web development projects. So, grab your favorite text editor and let's jump right into it. Let's begin with the basics. Our first tip involves creating clickable links for emails, phone calls, and SMS using HTML. By utilizing the simple A tag, you can enable redirects not only between pages and websites, but also to specific email addresses, phone numbers, and SMS messages. Let's start with creating a link to send an email. First, we need to define an A tag. Then, in the ref attribute, add mail to, followed by the email address to which you want to send the email. Next, inside the A tag, add the text you want the user to see on your page. Let's take a look at the result. As you can see, clicking the link redirects you directly to your email inbox, where the email address we specified in our A tag is already pre-filled, ready for you to send an email. Next, let's create a phone call link. This is also quite simple and similar to the email link. Instead of using mail-to, we need to use the tel parameter in the ref attribute and then add the phone number you want to be called after click. Let's give it a try. As you can see, clicking on our phone link opens the calling program. In my case, it asked to open FaceTime because I'm using a MacBook. The final link in our first tip is for sending an SMS. Just like the previous examples, this one is also straightforward. To create an SMS link, add SMS in the ref attribute, followed by the phone number to which you want the message to be sent. By using this approach, clicking the link will open the messaging app, allowing you to send a text message to the phone number specified in the A tag. Congratulations! We have finished our first HTML tip. Now, let's move on to some things I bet you didn't know before. Our second tip is collapsible elements. This feature is useful for organizing information, making FAQs more readable, and improving the overall user experience by allowing visitors to expand and collapse sections of content as needed. Let's get started. First, we need to add the details tag element. This tag creates a disclosure widget where information is initially hidden and becomes visible when the widget is toggled into an open state. The label that toggles this visibility must be provided using the summary element. After adding the summary tag, we can include our content, which will remain hidden until the details tag has its open attribute. And there you have it, with just HTML, you've created a collapsible element on your web page. The next feature is a video preview poster. Using the poster attribute with the video element allows you to specify an image that serves as a preview or placeholder before the video starts playing. This feature enhances user experience by providing a visual cue about the video content, helping to attract viewer attention and engage them more effectively. Let's implement this together. First, create a video element and add the controls attribute to enable video manipulation. Then, include a source tag with the path to your video file. Finally, add the poster attribute to the video tag, specifying the path to your poster image. And that's it, we have a nice video with the poster. Moving forward, the next feature is displaying text as Subscript and Superscript. This is particularly useful for presenting formulas on websites, as it allows you to use specific tags instead of writing additional CSS, simplifying the process of formatting text for mathematical or scientific content. Implementing text display as Subscript or Superscript is straightforward. Use the subtag for text that should appear as a bottom substring, enclosing the desired text inside the tag. Similarly, use the subtag for text that should appear as a top substring. It's a simple implementation that requires no additional styling, making it easy to apply to your content. Next useful feature is managing translation. It allows you to disable translation for specific HTML elements, which can be particularly handy when you want to preserve the original form of names or other content that shouldn't be translated. In this example, we have 2 blocks with the same name, but translation is disabled for one and not for the other. Let me show you how to add this feature to your website. It's really easy, just set the translate attribute to no. And that's it, content in this tag will not be translated. One more feature is enabling content editing. This feature allows users to modify the text within the specified element directly on the web page, making it useful for creating interactive and editable web content without the need for additional JavaScript or external tools. To make your HTML elements editable, you just need to set the content editable attribute to true, and there you go, your div works like an input. And the last one for today is adding clickable area to image. This feature allows you to define specific regions within an image that act as hyperlinks, enabling users to interact with different parts of the image for navigation or additional information. In this example, I just click on the JavaScript text on my image and it redirects me to the JavaScript documentation. To implement an image map, let's start by adding the image tag and specify the path to our image. Then we need to create a map element with a name that we will connect to the image. The map will contain an area element that will represent the clickable area, in our case a rectangle with specific coordinates and a URL to redirect to. After that, we set the use map attribute for our image and enter the name of the map we created. That's all we need, the image clickable area is ready. That's all for today. I hope these tips were helpful. Thanks for watching.